Vocabulary words in statistics. We have the mean. The mean is the average of numbers. We have the median. The median is the middle number. The mode is a number that appears most often. The minimum is a number of least value. The maximum is a number of greatest value. The range is the number that can be calculated by taking the maximum and subtracting the minimum. The population is the entire set of values in a given area. The sample population is a subset of the entire population that correlates to the total population. The standard deviation is calculated to indicate the extent of deviation for a group as a whole. The variance is a statistical measurement of the spread between numbers in a dataset. A dataset is a collection of related sets of information or numbers. Ungrouped data is raw data that is first gathered for the experiment. Group data is data that has been categorized or grouped based on characteristics. The mu denotes the population mean or average. Sigma is the statistical symbol for standard deviation. The margin of error is the amount that is allowed in case of miscalculation. Descriptive statistics is a brief descriptive coefficient that summarizes a given data set representative of the entire population or sample population. And discrete data, a count that involves integers. Only a limited number of values are possible. Continuous data is data that can be measured on an infinite scale that can take on any value between two numbers. Percentiles are numbers where a certain percentage of scores fall between that number. Independent variables are variables that are manipulated or are changed by researchers and whose effects are measured and compared. Dependent variables are variables that change as a result of the independent variable manipulation. Nominal data is data that can be labeled or classified into mutually exclusive categories without any specific order. Ordinal data is data with a set order or scale to it. Statistical questions are those that can be answered by collecting data that varies. Survey questions, like questionnaires or conversation, that should be grouped by topic and placed into chronological order. Please be sure to check out all my videos, like, share, and subscribe, and check out my social medias.